Welcome speech for Chief Guest Mr. Kapoor by the Principal of Indian Public School at Annual Day Function. Good evening everyone. I heartily welcome you all on the behalf of Indian Public School Noida for the prestigious occasion of our school. Celebrating its 25th annual day on the event of completing its 25 golden years, in other words, celebrating its silver jubilee. The idea of putting the foundation of an educational institution is so inspiring. Here, I can see a blend of extraordinary and smart students and their parents who have made this day arrive. They have come to us from each and every corner of the city. Every year I find it to be my pleasure to address you people who are the young minds of today and the responsible citizens of tomorrow. I and whole of our country dedicated teachers team appreciate the efforts put in by the parents along with their wards. So here I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all the dear parents who are constantly extending their support and love to pupils as well as faculty members of these schools. Taking our evening further and to begin with the annual function, I, on the behalf of everyone present here, heartily welcome the inaugurator and the dignitary of the priceless function today, the guest of honor, Mr. Kapoor, who is the social worker, educationist and philanthropist. I am especially thankful to him as when we approached him with the invitation card and requested him to grace the evening as the chief guest, Mr. Kapoor accepted our request and readily agreed when he looked at today's event and its program. Mr. Kapoor is a well-known name in the matters related to women empowerment. He has put in a lot of efforts for promoting the education of girl child. For this, he has even set up many small education centers for girls and ladies. His initiative of setting up an orphanage and the old age home is what everyone is talking and praising about nowadays. Sports is a great activity for children that provide us a variety of benefits other than physical fitness. Participation in sports can help build self-esteem, confidence and can motivate children to excel academically and can help build their social skills. It can even teach children the ways and benefits of goal setting and practice. So with this purpose, we organize a sports meet every year in an order where 100% participation is encouraged and each participant is rewarded, and it is the participation of children that is most important for us and gives us immense joy. This year our school has been declared as one of the best institutions of the city, which has included and is following extracurricular activities in the daily timetable. I wish to thank and congratulate each one of your dear parents, for without your support it would not have been possible for us. Dear parents, what you see today is the culmination of massive continuous efforts put in by the students and teachers. I am pleased to share that the distinguished guest of honor us with his presence today as the chief guest of our annual day function. Give a huge round of applause as I can upon Mr. Kapoor for the lamp lighting ceremony and request him to speak a few words about his endeavors. Thank you. Dear sir, we very much regret having to draw your attention to the fact that there has been a considerable or reduction in the turnover of your branch during last 4 years. The head office has received complaints from many of your customers, some of whom have already withdrawn their customs. This cannot in any circumstances be attributed to adverse trade conditions, for we all know that they are better than they have been for a long time, nor can it be explained by local difficulties, for we understand that our competitors in this particular district are making record profits. We are therefore forced to come to the conclusion that there must be a real foundation for the complaints we have recently received, and that the service given to customers is very much below the standard which they have every right. We ask you to do your utmost to eradicate these faults, and we are particularly anxious that all deliveries should be made promptly and certainly on the day promised. Great care should be taken to avoid any damage in packing or transport. All delivery men must recognize that this company insists on courtesy to all customers, and we wish you to forward immediately to the head office any complaints that you may have in this connection. Every effort must be made by all concerned to make all our customers feel that they treated fairly and promptly. Yours faithfully.